Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Barnett, President and CEO at McKenzie Health System. As one of the largest employers in Sanilac County, we provide many opportunities in both medical and non-medical careers. We believe our employees are not just a resource, they are truly the DNA of the organization. Our culture encourages professional growth, teamwork, and innovation in an environment with clear expectations, open communication, and accountability, which allows the entire team to thrive. Our 25-bed hospital campus, which has recently received renovations focused on patient care and safety, includes our ER, lab and diagnostic imaging departments, cardiac and pulmonary rehab, and surgical services. We have 6 family health care clinics located throughout the county, as well as an after-hours clinic. Our rehabilitation department provides therapy at the hospital campus and at an off-site clinic. Sanilac EMS provides advanced life support services to a large portion of Sanilac County, and specialty care is also available, including general surgery, orthopedics, gastroenterology, cardiology, and ENT. We search out ways to improve the overall health of our community. For instance, we recently launched a community paramedic program allowing us to take care into the homes of certain patients. A letter recently received from the daughter of a 100-year-old patient expressed her deep appreciation for the care we provided, which included this new program. Messages like this really underscore the importance of developing care with the patient in mind. As an independent healthcare system, we must pursue new ways to do rural care and lead in transforming how healthcare is delivered. Through collaboration, McKenzie is bringing additional specialty care to the community by expanding telehealth services. Our commitment is to assure the clinicians and the technology provide the quality our community deserves. McKenzie also played a key role in establishing the first national rural accountable care organization, emphasizing our belief that healthcare should make money to deliver care, not deliver care to make money. Quality and excellence are priorities we build into everything we do. Our 3D mammography includes the latest technology, including state-of-the-art artificial intelligence diagnostic software. Our emergency department is a level 4 trauma facility, is level 3 geriatric certified, acute heart attack ready certified, and stroke ready certified. And all our family healthcare physician providers are patient-centered medical home certified. I hope this quick overview has given you a feel for McKenzie Health System, the level of care we strive to provide every day, as well as the culture our employees enjoy.